How's it going, everyone? It's Lazar and Bruno from Sentry, and we have a really cool announcement to make. Sentry can run anywhere you run your games.
Yeah, that's true. You might already be using Sentry on your mobile games or PC games or web, but now you can also run on game consoles.
Yeah, we're talking about PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, let's start with Nintendo Switch. We have a cool announcement, it's on the description of this video. Sentry has a partnership with Nintendo, where Nintendo sends the crashes on your behalf directly to Sentry. And these come with additional context, for example, like the video of what was going on or screenshots and that cool stuff. You don't need to make any code changes at all to the game. It's just like pressing some buttons and things just happen. In a similar way, PlayStation support is also an integration via the server. You don't need to add an SDK. And you also get additional context like screenshots, for example. And all of that without any SDK change. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, but in contrast to that, for Xbox, you do need to install an SDK. But we're talking about Sentry's native SDK. You know, the one that you already have running on your Mac, PC, and Linux games. So if you're using that one, let's just say that you're gonna gain access to the same Sentry features in your Xbox game as you would have in your Linux or Windows game.
Yeah, it's cool. So Sentry Native also works on Switch and PlayStation. So it's an optional thing. If you add that in, you can add additional context like your own custom tags. The same things that show up today on your Windows crashes, for example, would also show up on Switch and PlayStation. Those are optional. As I mentioned, you get those crashes directly from the integration from the back end. Yeah, so we really want to hear what you have to say about this integration. We're looking forward to hear your thoughts.
And you know how it goes with consoles. In order to gain access to all of this, you need to reach out to us via the middleware verification process in your console's developer portal. Thanks for watching.